Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil Ladores. Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil Ladores and welcome back to our channel. And kamusta na kayo guys? How are you today? So, I'm really happy na you're still interested in my videos. And soon gago tayo ng motivational, self-growth and self-improvement videos. Pero for now, dumating na yung order ko guys sa Shopee. Ayan siya. So, i-unbox natin siya guys. I'm actually redesigning yung aking kwarto. So, gamit tayo nito. Ang dami kong in-order guys, so I don't know what this is. Pero I have a pretty good idea. Siyempre, kung umorder ka sa Shopee, di ba? You probably know kung ano in-order mo. So, I think this one is the chair. Office chair na in-order ko. So, samahan nyo ako guys, i-unbox natin. Let's go! Woo! Kuha tayo ng ano guys. Mesh chair. So ayan guys, ito lahat nung parts no, dumating na mesh chair. Assemble natin siya guys. So ayan guys, ito na siya. Grabe guys, almost 50% complete agad siya. Saglit na lang. So yan guys, yan yung kinalabasan ng ating chair from Shopee. Unfortunately guys, napuno yung memory card natin midway ng shooting. So, hindi ko napansin. Late ko na napansin nung buo na siya. When you pull up, you know it's a shutdown.